What is good, YouTube fam? It's your boy H-Town Sean.
And your girl Shay, and we're back
with another video. Guys, we just woke up to another great morning in St. George, Utah, guys. And you already know we're about to have some fun today, guys.
Some sightseeing, some good sightseeing.
Man, it's cloudless sunshine today, so it's gonna be an awesome day, guys. So today, we're gonna go to Kolob Canyons. It's an extension of Zion National Park, but it offers like different scenery, different views. So we couldn't come here and leave without checking that part out too. So guys, you're gonna ride with us today. It's gonna be a great day, guys. So if you're watching right now, go ahead.
Smash that like button, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you know each and every time we drop a new video. Ride with the mob.
Ride with the mob.
So today we're gonna start off in Kolob Canyons. We're gonna do a scenic drive. Might do a little hiking, I don't know, because I'm exhausted from yesterday.
But it was beautiful, it was well worth it.
Yeah,
if you haven't already, go back and check out our last vlog of Zion National Park.
Yeah, like that was literally the best national park I ever been to. Like for real, for real. So yeah, guys, go back and check that out. So today we're gonna end it off in Vegas. We're
I can't wait to get to Vegas.
Yeah, maybe walk the strip tonight, maybe do a little gambling, cause like as many times as I've been to Vegas, I never actually gambled, you know, cause I don't really like.
Yeah, never even put a coin in the machine.
Yeah, I don't like the thought of losing money like that, guys. Like that break my heart. So,
yeah, even $20, even $5.
Yeah, so man, today gonna be a fun-filled day, guys. I want y'all to just watch and feel like you here too. So let's get this video started, guys. Stay tuned. We had a nice stay at the Holiday Inn Express in St. George, Utah. I would recommend this hotel to anybody.
Okay, guys, we're just now making it to Kolob Canyons, and we have to stop here and get us a park pass. Yep.
Usually it's like a drive-through booth, but
yeah.
I don't know why this was like this.
Yeah, but it's the first time we had to get out and do this. Kolob Canyon Scenic Drive. Yeah, let's see the beauty around these windy roads.
Let's see if it compares to Zion, cause y'all know Zion's crazy.
Yes, go back and watch the Zion National Park vlog.
Too legit.
This loop right here was literally only like a 15-minute drive to get to the end.
Yeah.
And it's the view, y'all, of Kolob Canyon.
Yeah, this art ring was literally in like the backpack for like 3 rounds. Gosh. And he really thought he was hit it.
bro!
Man, it looks like Zion right here.
Welcome to Arizona.
Now we entering Arizona for just a couple miles.
And then we're gonna cross into Nevada, y'all.
Yeah, so we in Arizona for a little bit.
About to go through the Virgin River Gorge right now. This gonna be so off the chain.
Yeah, very beautiful.
It's 110 right now.
110, y'all.
Probably gonna
Extremely
get hot.
hot. We just started.
in Nevada.
Yeah, we started feeling heat waves. It's making it sideways.
Oh, they go to Virgin River right here. I bet it ain't no water.
I bet you it ain't. Nope, it's dry as the desert that we riding through. No water.
Nah, we just tilted sideways.
Yeah, we tilted sideways right now. It's still amazing.
Yep.
I love the mountains. Strong crosswinds possible next 4 miles. Amazing. Every time you turn the corner, it's something more amazing. Guys, we're just not making it to Las Vegas.
Look, son.
The Bellagio.
About to pull up at the resort. 5 minutes.
5 minutes away from the resort.
Stay tuned. Alright guys, we just made it to our room in Vegas.
Yeah, the kids are overly excited.
Just want to give y'all a look
I'm
tour.
really excited. Look at this. This looks like a house.
I don't like black toilets,
Riley was surprised. He was happy. I've never seen a black toilet before.
but there's a restroom that go to the kids' room over there. And then got the little boy area.
With the nice lights. Every light in here dims.
It's cool though, man. It's a cool little
Like, look.
Vegas vibe.
Look.
I never been in a Holiday Inn.
Yeah, see it dim. Yup. And then over here to the kids' little room. It's nice.
We turn off the.
Look, they can open and close the blinds.
Oh man, automatically?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
You see, you missed it.
Oh, curtains open too.
Yes. A nice walk-in closet over there.
Yeah. Little nice headboard.
Look at this restroom. You missed the shower.
Oh yeah. It's the kids' little shower right here. Back out. Come on, y'all.
Look, everyone's
Go to the kitchen. Nice little breakfast area right here. Grand Canyon on the wall.
What? Look, open the cabinet.
There's a cabinet. It's a long kitchen too. Wow.
They got Xbox 360.
They got sky rising cabinets.
Right there.
They got the stainless steel appliances, man.
Oh my God, that's so ugly.
And they got a big old fridge right here. And then down here, pantry.
Yeah, with the vacuum.
And then this right
My
here is
favorite.
Yes,
I'm washing and drying, y'all.
I got so happy over this. I couldn't even find the microwave until like 20 minutes until I got into this.
It's nice, huh, Ryder?
Yes.
living room area, y'all. Got Vegas strip right here. I like that pitch. I need that in my house.
In each room, each one has either Xbox or
360.
Xbox or a PlayStation.
Yeah, 360 outdated.
Xbox 360 is.
Yeah.
I got a 360, y'all. Kind of outdated, but it's cool.
Oh, look at the fireplace.
Balcony, fireplace. I ain't see that. Balcony. And it's hot out here too, y'all. It's literally 117 degrees in Vegas. It's a nice day though. Hey y'all, and when we checked into this resort, y'all, we was talking to the clerk at the desk, and we asked him when the last time. No, I asked him how much it rained a year, and he said it twice a year. I wish I'd have recorded it for y'all.
Twice a year.
Dude said twice
Maybe
a
not
year.
Even.
I said, bro, are you serious?
Yeah.
I say he don't go more than 2 weeks in Houston without rain.
Yes.
If we go more than 2 weeks in Houston without rain, that's a drought.
They have hard water and they have to lather in lotion.
Yeah, this is
Man.
master bedroom. Say how you open the little curtains over
Right there, on against the wall, press the button.
You want to press sheer or open?
The other one.
Jacuzzi too.
Jacuzzi tub and shower.
You like this, Reagan? You want to take a bath there tonight? Then y'all, you can
In the shower.
sit in the shower with your TV.
Yeah.
Safe travels.
And look, the speakers. Listen to the
Speakers
up
in the
there.
roof right here, y'all.
Yeah.
Great lighting right here too.
Look at the shower.
Yeah.
Look at all the sprayers right there. Boy, I'm gonna enjoy the night.
Spray you good, y'all.
Yes.
Get you real clean. And they got the nice little above the counters sinks. That's real nice.
That's really, really, really nice. Some of them come with a TV and the mirrors.
Your door for the restroom right here.
I love the doors.
What I don't like though, y'all, is the black toilet. They doing too much with the black toilet.
I don't know, black
like
toilet
that.
kind of seems like
Cause
it
that
ain't
way I
clean.
can't verify that you clean the toilet. You got a black toilet, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I would have a white toilet, but other than that, this is a good room for, you know, a family vacation.
Yes.
Kids today, we've been having fun with the kids for the whole week. So
Yes.
tonight,
It's
me and
his
Shay
and
went
hers.
to the strip. We just looked up this little Ferris wheel.
And we can see
bar.
right outside the window.
Yeah, it's like a Ferris wheel bar. We looked at. Hopefully we get to catch it. We don't know yet, you know. So stay tuned.
They do have a bar here we finna go check out in just a few minutes. So
Yeah, it's gonna be a great ending to a video, guys, as always, you know. So stay tuned.
So
When it's done.
we over here making the burgers tonight. That's what's on the menu, burgers and fries. Something simple since we just got off the road.
But it's still gonna be good.
Guys, we had a great day seeing Kolob Canyons.
Yes, it was amazing. Beautiful views, the little part that we did see.
It was just as amazing as Zion, you know.
I think Zion was 10 times better maybe.
Yeah, and then guys, like now that we in Las Vegas, I think it's gonna be more about me and Shay right now because you know we done had fun with the kids and
Yes,
you know
we need
showed
our
them a
break.
lot of stuff. Yeah, so we need a break now. So tomorrow it's gonna be more about you know just me and Shay having fun, enjoying Vegas.
For the
Yeah,
first time. Because we've been here before, but we've always been with the kids. This time we get to like enjoy ourselves.
so if you're watching this right now, go ahead.
Smash that like button, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you know each and every time we drop a new video. Ride with the mob.
Ride with the
Yeah,
mob.
guys, and without further ado, we appreciate you for rocking with us, and we'll see you on the next vlog. Peace.